congratulations to all of the winners and also all of the participants of the Rising with Kindness Challenge. Because to rise with kindness makes you a winner. And when you rise with kindness, you don't win alone. But your win makes everyone else win. Because as you are dedicating day 1 to kindness to yourself, day 2 to kindness to others, and day 3 to kindness for the planet, to all, what you realize and recognize through that is, in serving others, in sharing and spreading and giving and manifesting kindness to others, kindness to the planet, it's actually the best thing that you can do for your own self. As you share that kindness, you feel it inside. Because first, in order to share it, you have to manufacture it. So as you are generating kindness within, as you are diving into the source, the very source of love and goodness and kindness within yourself, to share that with others, will you become the first beneficiary? You are the one who first is filled with flowing kindness. And only then does it overflow out to spread, to manifest, to emanate for others. Kindness to me is actually the deepest and the highest religion. I cannot imagine any aspect of the divine, any aspect of God, by any name or any form, who would want anything from us, more importantly, than to be kind to each other and to be kind to the creation. This creation is a gift that the divine creator has given us. And being kind to it, including your perfect self, is the greatest way to honor and to celebrate that beautiful gift. So many of us in the world of religion and spirituality have questions every day that people ask about how to attain heaven after we die, how to attain liberation, moksha, freedom, heaven after we die. But let me tell you that living in kindness creates heaven right here, right now. You don't have to wait till you die. Right here, right now, in this life, in this minute, in this moment, your kindness creates heaven for those you share it with, and also for you. Because when your mind and your thoughts, your emotions, your intentions, your attention, your heart are rooted and anchored in kindness, life becomes heaven. Deep, deep gratitude to our whole Kanha family, to our puja, revered, beloved Daji, to the whole Heartfulness international community for bringing our youth together to find, to experience, to manifest, and to share this highest and deepest truth of who we all are, which is love and kindness. So, so, so much love to all of you.